and I'm going to show you the only method that works consistently over time. And a lot of you trying to turn off Windows are getting blocked simply because you are not implementing it correctly. Yes, Windows Defender is supposed to be a tool that will help protect our PC, but sometimes it rather becomes a problem when trying to even install software or third-party apps. Windows Defender will keep on blocking it without your consent. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to get things done the right way. I have fixed hundreds of Windows issues on this channel alone. So listen closely, because even one wrong click can leave your Windows entirely vulnerable. So make sure to stick to the end of this video to see the entire steps. Have you noticed no matter how many times you toggle off real-time protection, Windows Defender keeps turning it on? And this is simple because Windows has added another layer that overrides whatever you do on your PC, especially when you turn off this Windows Defender. So I'm going to show you this simple yet important button to make sure it's also turned off so that Windows will not constantly be overriding your real-time protection, especially when you toggle it off. So let's quickly jump to our PC and get to it. Alright, let's start with the actual method. So first we're going to locate our start button, then proceed to click on settings. Then you have to allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then quickly among the tons of menus on the left panel, you have to locate privacy and security and tap on it. And this will redirect you to an interface like this with tons of options. Make sure under security you select Windows security. Then with this selected, under protection area, continue to tap on virus and threat protection, and this will redirect you to an interface like this where you are going to make some important adjustment, and this is where many people get it wrong. So proceed to make sure the virus and threat protection is selected, and to confirm it is the correct one which is selected, you can see the name of it on the top here, virus and threat protection. Then after that, scroll down a bit until you locate the virus and threat protection settings, which under it we have settings. So make sure to tap here. So you will be redirected to an interface like this with tons of options, and this is where we are going to make the important adjustment that each and everyone needs to know here. So under real-time protection, you can see it's currently toggled on. So make sure you toggle this off. That's not all. You have to make sure you tap on yes to whichever prompt that appears on your screen. And many of you, after toggling off this, you think you are done with turning off your Windows Defender. After some few minutes, you realize Windows has override your first initial attempt to turn off the Windows Defender. So I'm going to give you the next important button that you need to turn it off so that Windows henceforth will not be able to continue overriding your Windows Defender turned off. So stay on this same page and scroll down a bit until you locate tamper protection. So you can see that tamper and threat protection is currently toggled on. Make sure you toggle this button off. And just on top of the tamper protection, you also have the automatic sample submission. Make sure this is also toggled off. Then the last but not the least is the control folder access. So you can see we have the control folder access here. Make sure you proceed to tap on the manage control folder access, and with that selected, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Make sure the control folder access is also toggled off. Mine is already toggled off just to make sure I will be able to use the software that I want to install on my PC without having any problem with Windows trying to block basically everything that I want to enjoy using my PC. So this is the correct way to disable Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 without having to experience Windows constantly overriding your decision here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. It might be featured in our next live series. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.